everyone, welcome to Raptor Tax Fun Videos for Kids, and today, I know I've not done a video in a while because I was at my grandma's and I can't upload any videos, but I am uploading a dinosaur village right now if you want to go check it out. It's called The Giant Garden. So I'm going to do this video right here. I've got here. So this is actually a custom-made box I made to display my Dinosaur Village characters in this box. It's kind of cool how I decorated it. But if my show was actually on TV and was real, this was probably pretty close to what these boxes would be. The toys would be changed. I really wish I had my own toys and they would have movable joints, and they would be different, probably a different color too. My shell is real. Weather Girl would stay the same though. So let's take a look at it. You can see here, Dinosaur Village. It says right here, try me, moving jaw. And then down here, you can't really read it very good, but it says Dino Village playset with exclusive blueberry with moving jaw. And up here, it says Dinosaur Village. Watch on YouTube. Search Raptor Tax Fun Videos for Kids. Okay, and it's got on this side, it says includes Lofi, Weather Guy, June, Tara, Backwards Weird Guy, Weather Girl, and Blueberry exclusive. Oh, and V. I don't have Lofi in this video because I actually can't find her. She went missing again. I don't know how I keep losing her, but it's got a back. You can just imagine her up there. So it says, enjoy all your favorite Dinosaur Village characters in this fun play set. There's Lofi, V, Weather Guy, Blueberry, Tara, Backwards Weird Guy, June, and Weather Girl. So here's all of them. It's pretty cool. I actually drew all of these. They're pretty much the right color. And then just blank right there. So are you ready to unbox them? Doesn't stay on very good, but there we go. Okay, so right here, you can open this up. Cut the tape right here. Okay, so you can see Tara's up here. Okay, so the first one we're going to get out is Tara. I taped her up here to make sure I don't want to cut her. I twist tied most of them, but I ran out of twist ties. Okay, let's get all this tape off of her. These are all the toys I use for my Dinosaur Village series. So it does look like she's used, so don't think that she's brand new. But if I get some clay, I'll probably make some figures that would be more accurate to the show and things, if it was real. Okay, so she's pretty detailed. This is actually a Pteranodon. This is like a $1 dino I get at Walmart. She's nice and detailed. Wings are kind of rubbery, so you can make them flap. And my dinos would probably even have movable joints and things, but I can't do it with clay dinos. It looks like it's got teeth, which is weird because Pteranodons don't have teeth. Made in China, Pteranodon. It's got some nice details on it. I love the color. So she's really cool. Okay, let's get these guys out. Okay, so you can see they're on a base right here. So let's cut the tape on Blueberry and get him out. That's a lot of tape. Okay, so here he is. He's got a movable jaw. This is a Giganotosaurus that I got. Where was it? I think it was Target. I got this. You can see most of his fingers are broken off. All but one. My sister actually got the red Sharpie marker and actually colored the teeth. It looks like it's got blood on it. It's disgusting. And on all the lips too, which is... My sister was like 3 years old then, so... Sometimes she got a hold of a Sharpie marker here and there. She was doing stuff she wasn't supposed to. You can see all these spikes have been broken off. Up here. It's just been played with so much. My sister got this when she was 2 years old. It's actually hers. And she actually did name this Blueberry. Hi, my name is Blueberry. And I actually did that roar noise. I can actually do a velociraptor pretty good. Kind of sounds like one from Jurassic Park. But you want to hear it? Here I go. Now, how good did you think that raptor noise was? Give my video a like if you liked that raptor. I can also do a Jurassic World T-Rex noise. You want to hear that? Ready? So if you enjoyed this video and the roars, please give this video a like. Okay, this is probably going to be a long video. So it doesn't have any movable joints, only its jaw moves. But that's good. It's a pretty cool dinosaur. Here's the other side of him. My sister always said that this looks like bacon. Tastes yummy. I wonder if he tastes like bacon. Probably not. I don't want to try. So there's him. Okay. Okay, so there's twist ties down here, but let's get all the taped ones out. Okay, weather guy. Wow. Okay. So here he is. It's just a Dollar Tree dinosaur. It's actually bigger than Weather Girl, which is kind of neat, but maybe it should have been the other way around. This would be Weather Girl and that would be Weather Guy. I don't know. I don't like that as much, though. But they're cool. I like them. They're actually the original Dinosaur Village. We had this one and this. This is the original Weather Guy. We actually started Dinosaur Village in 2018, but I didn't have a YouTube channel at that time, so my sister has actually some recorded on her tablet. So here is him. He's a purple color. So there's him. Okay, let's get V out. Okay, here he is. So you know V, silly little brother. I actually have a picture of him and Weather Guy posted on Chicken Smoothie. If you know that, Chicken Smoothie. It's a fun game. On the forums, on the coloring part, you'll see a picture of V is hiding in a picture of Weather Guy. Check it out if you are interested. But V's a nice color, nice details. No feathers though. Hands are kind of weird, but I like this one. It's nice. It's a nice small size. It's really a good toy. I like the coloring on it. Okay, it looks like the end of all the ones that have tape on them. Let's get all this tape off. Okay, look at the bottom here. it's got a twist tie here that you would normally have for bread. I actually got them from Breads. Wow, this is like really twisted. Okay, here. And there's another one right here for him. Okay. Backwards weird guy. Here he is. This is actually a dollar store one, but my sister took a Sharpie marker and circled all his spots. So that kind of makes him unique, I guess. I don't really care for the ones that have their necks turned, but it's a perfect dinosaur figure for Backwards Weird Guy. Nice big dino. So he's got a pretty detailed face. Nice green color. Good details. These dollar store toys are actually not that bad. Okay, now let's get out June. Actually put some tape on the bottom to keep his from coming out. Okay. He's got a little bit of tape on him from another one. Here he is, a hard figure. Nice, really detailed toy. This is actually a Adventure Force Velociraptor. He is a Velociraptor in my show too. He's not a Deinonychus. I like the colors. There's actually a blue one that we have, but I'm not gonna do. Maybe it will be June's sister in season 3. I just put out the first episode of season 3. If you want to go check that out. So here we go. Last one, Weather Girl. My sister loves Weather Girl. She's actually one of her favorites. My sister's favorite dinosaur is a Pachycephalosaurus, and we might even have one coming in season 3. So, if you like Pachycephalosauruses, stay watching for season 3, episode 2. That's the one where we might, if I decide to put a Pachycephalosaurus in or not, that will be the one where I reveal. So here she is. It is actually a repainted Deinonychus, the toys that you would buy at Walmart, the $1 dinos. Let's compare it to Weather Guy. They're basically the same actual pose. Just one is bigger, one is smaller, different color. This one's a darker color. This one actually stands like this. He actually stands like that. This one's made of a more harder plastic. This is squishy. And this is more detailed. This one's got a better eye. I repainted the mouth, and on the back you can see the stripes. She's got some striped spots of yellow and here and there. So pretty nice. Her arm is yellow. So that is it, I think. So if you enjoyed my dinosaur roars and this video, please give me a like. And if you want some more episodes of Dinosaur Village, well, if you want some episodes of Dinosaur Village or any of my fun videos, just click down below on my logo or search Raptor Tax Fun Videos for Kids for more videos, and hope you enjoyed it. Bye!